they say he too real. But being a real nigga got me a deal. I'm the young nigga that always stay real. Being a real nigga got me a deal. They say he go crazy, they say he too real. But being a real nigga got me a deal. I want all these hoes to know that a real nigga just hit the dope. No more Versace, get off of my clothes. I did not beg for this fame, I was chose. I can act different with all of my flows. Magnificent in the flesh and the soul. I was that nigga that folded them clothes.